Hey, what's going on? Let's go Michael Jordan hunting. We've got Skybox Series 2, 1990-91, first edition, second series. There's also David Robinson's second year, Gary Payton, Shawn Kemp rookies. Let's see what we can get. Brian Quinnett. Oh, 2 cards, sorry. Cotton Fitzsimmons. Tom Garrett. Derek Gerwin. Paul Presley. Johnny Dawkins. Jerome Lane. Rumeal Robinson on the NBA draft card. Chucky Brown. Drazen Petrovic. Atlanta Hawks card. The checklist. Ralph Sampson. Glenn Rivers. Derek Coleman, NBA draft card. And Otis Thorpe. Not the greatest pack. It's the back of it.
Because I'm good enough, I'm smart enough, and doggone it, people like me.
Thanks for watching.